Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 363 Ford 500 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1965 Mark IV Cobra. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with the brand new Dart Block 4-volt main block, all forged steel internals in there, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft. We have the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, American made. Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Kent Racing oil pan, chrome dipstick and tube. Double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, roller rocker arms are all fully adjusted and set. Chrome breather on there, MSD ignition coil. Distributors all set in place. Cobra air cleaner with a Holley carburetor. Throttle return spring end bracket, throttle cable ball. Installed. All the manifold vacuum fittings are installed for customer. This customer wanted our transmission package with the QuickTime bell housing. We got the ram clutch installed, all aligned, throwout bearing, clutch fork. This is the TKO Tremec 600 transmission with the shifter, Hurst shifter, and the black shifter ball on there, 5-speed. High torque mini starters on there. Going into the FFR Cobra, so we have the proper pulley kit on there. This is the alternator only, 140 amp alternator, one wire hookup right there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt on there. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory, complete, ready to go, turnkey drop in. Every engine is live run for over an hour. All the settings are all set. Distributor timing set, carburetors adjusted. Again, you'll get the video of your engine running, manifold vacuum readings, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, fully tested, photos of the entire engine build sent to you. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. This is our 363 Ford turnkey package with the TKO 600 transmission and QuickTime bell housing package. Thanks for watching.